Hi, Tristan.
Hi, welcome to the sled interview.
Oh, Sled Hill?
Yeah.
Oh, where we go? Let's go up.
If you want, but first, you need to answer some questions.
How do you like sledding?
Yeah.
Are you going to go to the sled ng pangbata? No, the big one?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go. Show us the way.
You can go up the mountain, but my dad doesn't want to do that.
Okay.
My dad's trying to go this way. The left way.
Hey, come on, Tristan.
You have to hold this. You have to hold this, manager. I'm an employee.
Employee.
You did an interview.
Okay, come on.
It could be dangerous.
Why can't they add an escalator in here?
Yeah. It's kind of.
That's my other employee.
Okay, come on, Tristan. Or we're almost up.
Shortcut. Shortcut found.
Huh?
Get to a shortcut if you want.
Okay.
I'll take the shortcut with you.
Be careful there.
Is it dangerous shortcut?
Oh, I told you, be careful.
I was.
Come on.
If I know.
Okay, Tristan, hold your sled.
Here's the first stop for
Come here, come here. Hold your sled first.
No!
Hold your sled. There's the people lined up to go sledding. Oh. Tristan, pick it up. Hold it. Oh. How was it?
Look, I'm sled interview too. I have to clean this sled.
Okay. Clean mo. Oh. There they are going sledding. Tristan, stand up. Stand up ka. What? Oh, tayo ka, tayo ka. There's all the kids going sledding. Come on, Tristan, one more time. One more time. Come on. Go. Come on. This way. This way. Oh. Tristan, is it fun going sledding here? There's the hill, and there's the stairs going up. That's a shortcut? Hey. Okay, say bye, Tristan.
No.
Say bye na dito sa video mo.
Here's a cringy outro.
Oh.
Bye.